In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1280 by 1080 in Valorant. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, 1280 by 1080 is a very popular resolution to use in Valorant. So, in order to set this up, you have to create a custom resolution. This resolution is not one of the native ones, so if you just download Valorant, you try to go into the settings, and you look through all of the resolutions available, 1280 by 1080 will not be present. I'm gonna teach you how to create a custom resolution for NVIDIA and AMD. So first, for NVIDIA, I have an AMD GPU, so I'm gonna showcase the process later. So I just want to get NVIDIA out of the way. For NVIDIA, right-click the desktop, go to the NVIDIA control panel, and under the display category, first go to change resolution. Now choose the option to customize, and this allows you to create a custom resolution to use. In here, you want to set it to 1280 by 1080. So make sure that you properly fill out both of these fields, 1280 by 1080. Afterwards, choose the refresh rate. Usually the default option will set it to the highest refresh rate available, but if it isn't automatically set up, then just customize it. For example, 165, 144, 120, whatever. Once the refresh rate is good to go, alongside the actual resolution settings, choose test and this will be saved. If you want the resolution to fill out your entire monitor, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position and make sure that you set it to full screen. Now for AMD, essentially it is the same process. So you right-click the desktop, go to AMD Software Adrenalin Edition, click on Settings, go to Display, and you will find all of your monitors here. Choose the appropriate one that you are going to be modifying, and then under Custom Resolutions, you can create a new resolution. So for example, 1280 by 1080. Then you customize the resolution, the refresh rate, and you set it up again under timing display. So make sure that everything is good to go under timing display and resolution. Click create and it will appear under the list like these ones that I have. Now with all of this done, you can go back inside of Valorant itself, head over to the settings, and you should be able to find 1280 by 1080 among all of the resolutions available, alongside the refresh rate that you set, of course. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1280 by 1080 on Valorant. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.